Power duo in action, Moorbark and the 3200 Wood Hog. Moorbark's new portable shaker screen pairs perfectly with the 3200 Wood Hog, forming a powerhouse combo for material processing. From grinding to sorting, every step runs smoothly and with force. The versatile shaker delivers consistent output, maximizing job site efficiency. This is the all-in-one solution for those who demand speed, precision, and mobility across any terrain. Who could imagine a complete car could vanish like this? Every door latch, panel, even the glossy paint, all devoured by the grinding roar of metal. Spinning teeth tear through it without hesitation, as if the car never existed. From muscle frame to steel shell, gone in seconds. A moment that's both overwhelming and eerily satisfying. Deep in the forests of the Pacific Northwest, where the first light of dawn filters through towering pine trees, the Hacker HM593R roars to life, awakening the entire forest with its thunderous engine sound. The high-speed rotating disc devours each log, while the crane with its sharp blade tears through tree trunks like paper. Fresh or dry, all are reduced to uniform, precise wood chips. A powerful fan then blasts the chips straight into the waiting truck. Ready for industrial use or biomass energy. A breathtaking display of technology, power, and uncompromising efficiency. What we're witnessing is a mechanical marvel, engineered to tackle a familiar yet formidable challenge: biomass reduction. This powerful machine adapts effortlessly to every type of wood, from soft roots to dense tree cores. Each cut showcases precision and raw strength, with torque delivering peak performance. Massive piles of material are crushed and reborn into compact, manageable form. This isn't just operation, it's the art of efficiency. The wood-crushing beast, Ecotech TBG 530. With its powerful 493 horsepower Cat engine, the TBG 530 devours all types of wood waste in a flash. Its ultra-strong in-feed system handles massive loads smoothly and quickly. Say goodbye to exhausting manual labor, and hello to clean, uniform output with every pass. The Ecotech TBG 530 is the ultimate choice for projects that demand unmatched power and efficiency. Imagine a wood chipper that doesn't need a support crew. That's the Brooks 806 PTC. With its powerful crane, high tipping bin, and comfortable operator cab, it chips and hauls in a single run. Every operation becomes faster, more efficient, and more cost-effective. Brooks 806 PTC, the ultimate solution for total forestry performance. The Carlton 7-15 TRX is being pushed to its limits on this rugged terrain. The operator strains against ancient, iron-hard tree stumps, each grinding cut met with fierce resistance. Will this high-powered beast conquer the stubborn oak roots, or will the unforgiving rocky ground and relentless wood density prove too much? The tension is palpable. You won't want to miss this epic battle of man and machine versus nature's raw defiance. This polish-made wood crusher is an absolute engineering marvel. Its innovative dual-shaft system processes even the toughest timber with smooth precision, reducing jams by 70% compared to conventional designs. 6 premium-grade blades spinning at a blistering 2,800 RPM can turn massive logs into wood chips in seconds. Built to last with unmatched durability and operational stability, it's the ultimate powerhouse for any job site. This isn't just equipment, it's the future of wood processing. Unstoppable, intelligent, and radically efficient. The moment the blade glides through wood grain like silk steals my breath away. Each precision-cut curve, where raw muscle and machine become one art form. The craftsman's hands waltz with the lethal blade, every movement radiating terrifying expertise. Witnessing such perfection, I finally understand how passion can make one forget physical pain. The Duke DZ750 Combi isn't just a machine. It's a two-in-one tech marvel that shreds documents at lightning speed while chipping wood with single-touch operation. Powered by an AI-optimized 3.0 engine that auto-adjusts torque, it handles everything from paper to hardwood smooth as crystal. Its smart touch interface and laser self-cleaning system redefine luxury and safety. With IoT integration, monitor and control operations remotely via smartphone. Cutting-edge convenience meets peak performance. Old-school craftsmen considered themselves lucky just to have a good axe. But this Splitmaster, it's far more than a tool. It's an engineering masterpiece. With power rivaling heavy artillery, flawless stability, and intelligent control systems, it transforms wood splitting from back-breaking labor into pure art. Just position the log correctly, and let Splitmaster do the rest. Watching it work fills you with awe. Modern technology has elevated traditional craftsmanship to a whole new level. From dozens of meters high, the world transforms into a living painting beneath your feet. A perspective only seasoned Vajan crane operators truly understand. This isn't just a job, but a privilege to witness the world from an angle that leaves everyone in awe. Hit play now to discover this one-of-a-kind viewpoint. The Timber Pro TL775D is a beast with a 450 horsepower engine and 500 psi hydraulics, turning charred logs into mulch instantly. Its quad-co saw spins at 1200 RPM, slicing hardwood like butter, while the 60-centimeter wide tracks ensure stability on any terrain. The dust-proof cabin with multi-axis joystick makes operation feel like gaming. The self-replacing filters and smart lube system cut maintenance time by 70%. From Oregon's ashes to storm-wrecked forests, the TL775D proves brute strength plus smart convenience was the ultimate solution. Does the worm gear's safety come at too high a cost to feed rate efficiency? Could advanced solutions like hydraulic accumulators or multi-plate clutch systems dampen surges while maintaining throughput? Next-gen shock absorption tech or auto PID controls might offer the perfect compromise. Every drive past the logging site left me awestruck. How do they peel bark cleaner than laser-cut precision? Then holy smokes, this video revealed the tech so advanced it'd make pros bow down. Each peel smooth as silk, precision perfect. It's oddly satisfying ASMR for engineers. The H425 and 1270 gram duo performs like a precision dance, every cut calculated to perfection. The jaw dropper, under 5% wood waste, while competitors lose 10 to 15%. This isn't just about efficiency, but maximizing every inch of timber. Sustainable forestry meets peak profitability. Smart tech plus zero waste equal logging's future. It's heartbreaking to witness this scene. The stubborn log keeps spinning endlessly in the machine, despite all efforts to force it into the conical mold. The technicians have tried everything, thought they had succeeded, but no. The machine continues to rotate defiantly, as if mocking all their attempts. Now the whole team can only stand by helplessly, scratching their heads in frustration. Is there any other solution? Or will this be the day the machine finally wins? This monstrous root ball is the ultimate final exam for every true professional. You'll instantly understand why military-grade planning is essential when every root fiber can become a deadly trap. Those unpredictable surprises always lurk beneath seemingly harmless soil. This is where hard-earned experience and expert knowledge become your survival weapons. Every move must be as precise as a surgeon's. One small mistake could trigger catastrophic consequences. The John Deere 8100 and Rotor S have revolutionized the stump removal industry with their incredible performance. Capable of handling a 24-inch stump in just 55 seconds, the system is not only 3 times faster than traditional methods, but also integrates exclusive vertical cutting technology and intelligent rotation control to ensure maximum safety. In particular, the smart design increases productivity by 22%, while reducing operator fatigue by 40%, thanks to the anti-vibration system and automatic load balancing. The 3-stage deburring system and self-cleaning mechanism help the machine operate smoothly for hours without worrying about clogging. This is truly a comprehensive solution for all professional demolition requirements, worthy of being the new gold standard in the industry. This reckless action sent a chill down my spine. Every hurried movement near the frantically spinning saw blade seemed like a challenge to death. A moment of distraction would cost more than any profit that could be made from this haste. This was not bravery. It was unacceptable carelessness. Safety is never negotiable. Have you ever dreamed of owning a mini branch-crushing beast? This 6-horsepower gasoline-powered shredder isn't just powerful and durable, it's also incredibly versatile, with razor-sharp blades that slice through branches like a hot knife through butter. Its lightweight, easy-to-control design, plus a smart reversible function, lets you effortlessly tackle even the toughest branches in seconds. The perfect sidekick for your garden, compact, yet unbelievably strong. Are you ready to make it yours? Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more awesome content. See you in the next one.